Gents, this is solid drawing number 8, and we are going to look at the hexagonal pyramid this time. It has an apex in the center here, and it forms diagonals from the corners, and it looks like that from the front. And we must draw a top view, which we're going to start with around this reference point, which is perfectly on the apex point, and then we're going to draw a front view, and hopefully we're going to draw a right view on my left hand side. So we're going to start once again with a circle, because one side is 30, so that is still 30 from the previous drawing, and I'm going to put that in the reference point O, and I'm going to swing a nice circle like that around faintly. Then I'm going to draw this line so that I have that point and that point over there, which is basically that point and that point. And then of course you can either do that, which we've done before, mark it off like that, or alternatively you can use your, I'm immediately going to darken it. I'm going to draw my straight lines first, both sides, both top and bottom. There we go. And I'm going to use my 60 degrees that side, and I'm going to use my 60 degrees here, and I'm going to use my 60 degrees to return that side there and this side over here. Alright, now something extra comes in. There are diagonals going across, so my diagonal should be that corner linking up with that corner through the middle, and that corner linking up with that corner through the middle, and I will have that line going across like that to form my apex here. These are all sides going down to my base. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I create my XY line, which is my separation line, and I will have my base any distance away. I am going to project my points up like that to my base of my front view, and that will go right up because that's my apex. That's going to go up like that. It's going to go up like that. I now have these points here, which I will number. That is number 2, that is 1 and 3, that here is 4 and 6, and that is number 5. Apex is obviously situated 48 above to less than 50, which is there. I now have a straight edge where I am going to draw all my lines to from my base points to form my corners. If I stand here, I can see those corners, and it will coincide with 1 and 6 at the back, so the dash line will actually fall under the solid line, where the solid line takes preference to the dash line, and then my base will be dark there as well. Okay, now, sorry guys, I just want to move this up so that you can see clearly what's happening there. This height here was 48, and I measured and I plotted there, and I drew these points to my apex point, which is situated up there, apex. Okay, and then I'm going to create a new separation line over there. It crosses with that one. I'm going to use my 45 degree line to go down like that, and then my base of my hexagonal pyramid, my apex point, And then I'm going to take all my points like I did onto my 45, all of this and those two as well, and that goes up to my base there. This goes right up, and that one just goes up till there. Let's mark my points very quickly. I will have here number 1 and number 6. That will be 2 and 5, 2 and 5 at the bottom, but apex is going to be here because it links up with the apex there, and then 3 and 4 there. Now I'm going to link my points at the bottom with my apex as it slants up till there, and the middle one as well. And then all I need to do is to create my base there. And that's what it looks like from this side. If you look at it, that goes up, that is the side there, and that's the side there, and the others will coincide with the front. Alright, there would be my hexagonal pyramid drawn top, front, and my right view on my left hand side. Enjoy and complete these drawings for me, please.